everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have just tutorial to show you how to make this beautiful edge for your knitting project. As you can see, usually when we cast on, we start to make the yarn like this, and then we cast on like this. But in this pattern, what you have to make the double yarn like this, and then you just take the yarn, and in this case we are going to cast on the yarn like this. As you can see here, one side is more than the other side. So we are going to keep continue until you have your amount of the pattern you need. I'll do that and I'll be back. After you cast on, what we have to do for the next row, we are going to pull all stitches like that. In this row, pull all stitch until the end of the row. For the next row, what we have to do, we take the first one, then insert the hook between the hole between these two stitches, grab the yarn and take that one out. We repeat again. As you can see here, the space between these two stitches, insert the hook, grab the yarn, and then just skip the next one. You do it like this until the end of the row. Next row, what we have to do, we take the first one as the edge, then pull the first one. When it comes to the yarn we already grabbed in previous row, we are going to take this one and the second one, pull together. You keep continue like that until the end of the row. Just pull the stitches and knit them together like this. You keep continue until the end of the row. As you can see here, you already have the edge like that. But if you want to start your pattern, in my case, just in this row I pull all stitches because I want to show how it's going to edge looks like, and then I start my pattern in the next row. As you can see here, the edge is like that. Now after the edge, it's time to show you how you can make this pattern. As you can see here, this pattern has a multiple of 2 plus 2 for edge. And let's get started. For the next row, what I have to do, I'll pull all stitches because this is back side of the work. From now on, anytime when you come to the back side, you have to pull all stitches. The pattern is only on the front side. Just pull all stitches for this row and I'll be back. For the pattern, what we have to do in front side, we take the first one as the edge. Now in the next 2 stitches, I'll take my hook at the back side. First I'm going to knit the second stitch, then knit the first one like this. We repeat, first knit the second one, then knit the first one, then take it out. And we keep continue like this until the end of the row by knit the second one first, then knit the first one like this. I told you the back side of the job, you have to pull all stitches, and this pattern only just repeat of these two rows. You do need to change the position because it looks like a vertical pattern. It means that when you come to that row again, just when it comes in these two stitches, knit the second one, knit the first one. If you keep continuing like that, after few rows the pattern should look like this, and also you have a really nice and beautiful edge. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.